Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ng 105.1 Brigada News FM. Video ni Russian vlogger Vitaly Sidorovitsky habang nakakulong sa Pilipinas, viral ngayon sa social media. Panoorin. Pinag-aaralan ngayon ng Bureau of Immigration ang pagbawi ng cellphone privilege sa mga dayuhang nakadetine sa kanilang warden facility kasunod ng mga revelasyon ni Russian vlogger Vitaly Sidorovitsky hinggil sa umano'y laganap na korupsyon sa loob ng pasilidad. Sa isang panayam, ito na.
I know it sounds funny, but today actually marks 69 days. Check this out. These are our conditions. This is in isolation. I can't speak out loud because we have the guard right there. These are my mates here, and I can't talk. But here's that. This is our breakfast. Yes. Why is it green? Don't ask, please. One rice and one fish. I don't know what that is. And our dinner. Wow. So much food.
So much food.
If you guys are wondering why this bottle over here, that's rats protection. This place is infested with rats, cockroaches, hundreds of mosquitoes during the night. It's absolutely disgusting. We've been trying to reach out to human rights people. This is so inhumane, but no one's responding. But this message is not about me. This is a message about all the people that are suffering in here. And I will tell you in 1 second. Come check out the back. This is how we shower. You guys are probably wondering if I dropped the soap. Not yet. Oops, I think I did. Alright. Jokes aside, come on. It's not to mention, it's 95 degrees Fahrenheit, or sometimes it's 100. It is boiling hot in here. But let's get to the serious part. Anyone's watching this video, there's people, civilians, and hundreds of people are suffering. Innocent people. If you overstay your visa, there's people here for 3 years, 5 years. Are they going to be here for life? Maybe not. Are they going to be here for years? Yes. Do you think my charge of disturbing the peace matches the consequences? I don't think so. But I've been getting a lot. Every negative situation, it has to be positive. There's books. Rack time. You guys are wondering if we get to go out of this cage? Maybe 15 minutes once a week. But yeah, we go outside next to that beautiful blue trash can that's filled with bottles and rats.
Kami ni Mama, ganito ko member.
Di oh. Ay, may ano pa siya, may cameraman pa siya eh.
This message
Balay.
is before I say it. We've been praying here every single day, and I just wanted to read out prayer for next. Guys, this is the prayer for next week for my bunkas and me. Dear God, thank you for opening our eyes and giving us another week to live, grow, and trust you more. Every day that you give us is a gift. I'm so grateful that you share it with us. Your word of Proverbs 6:3 says, commit to the Lord whatever you do and he will establish your plans. So today, we're committing this week to you, every decision, every conversation, every step. I'm placing it all in your hands. When we face moments of pressure, remind us to pause and look at you first. We're not doing this on our own. You are our strength, our peace, and that's all we need. Thank you for loving us unconditionally through everything we face. We're walking into this week expecting good things because you're walking with us. We've been praying every day, guys, and final message. If you're a world leader, people of significance, we the people, there are people that are dying in here. There are people that need your help. There are people that are less fortunate. They cannot get out. They don't have families. This is not jail. This is immigration. Expose the corruption. There's a pregnant woman. There's pregnant ladies. Some of them 7 months, 8 months. It's about to be due. There's kids with disabilities and Down syndrome in here. World, wake up. We need your help. SOS.
Grabe oh. immigration detention facility. Ang nakadetiniyan, mga foreign nationals. Tapos ganyan, ibubulga. Ay, naku, nakakaya. Kaya pala, nag-resign yung warden, basta nag-resign at tinanggap na rin ng Pangulo ang resignation dahil napahiya na naman po ang Pilipinas. Palakpakan natin ang gobyernong ito. Kilalang kilala sa corruption. Grabe oh. I don't know what to say. Magaling itong vlogger na ito. Although yung report sa kanya, bakit siya na-detain? Dahil nanghaharas ng mga Pilipino para makapag-content lang siya. O ito, ang gandang content. Ano lang mas naisahan niya ang gobyerno. Kasi nabayaran niya. Meron siyang taga-video eh. Oo. Ako, ang hirap mag-video kung ako lang. Kailangan mo pang hawakan yung camera mo. Anong ganon ka, hawakan mo, maglalakad ka. Siya, hindi. Meron taga-sunod sa kanya. So, sino yung videographer niya? Kapwa niya detainee? O gwardya? Pinakita yung pagkain, nakakaya. Nakaputos o nakabalot lang ng silupin, kakaunting kanin. There are a lot of rats here. Mabaho. Ano pa yun? 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Napakainit. Tapos yung pampaligo gagamit. Ay, nako, kaya ayun, nakapag salita si John Vic Rimulya na baka kakasuhan ito at pabalikin na. Kain so ka, pinauwi na nga tapos pabalikin mo pa ng dahil lang sa... So, good luck mga kapwa ko Pilipinos. Konting tabunan na lang nating mukha, pagiging Pilipino natin, nakakaya sa administrasyong ito na napapabalit. Sigurado, talagang ang dami, kasi nung nakita ko, pinanood ko kagad, kaya blinag ko rin para, ano na ito, mautak itong vlogger na ito, and I'm sure marami na siyang views at marami na siyang bayad na kita kung saan siya kikita na platform. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng maigi sa tribong talanding ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo na namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapag patayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin niyo ang video nito.
Una si Angkol ang natagaan og gero. Oh, salamat daw nga tabangan siya og sin. Sandig. So bisandig lang ni Angkol ang gero. So muna ni ang itsura sa iyang balay. Og karon muna ni ang itsura sa balay ni Angkol sa tagaan ng Bugero. So mga buslot-buslot na gyud gipang tapakan lang gani ang uban.
Tapak-tapakan ko rin.
Makita gid nato nga kuan na gid kaayo ang iyang hero. So mauna ni ang ilang kahimtang sa ilang panimalay. O karon Kol, pila na ni katuig ang imong balay sa imong atop ngayon ani ang itsura?
12 na katuig.
12 na katuig.
Kay kuan natay mga kortahan igo naman sa pagkaon. Basta nga daot na ng mga sin.
Oo, so lagid ka nakaatop.
Awa tama wa ko makaatop.
So unsa ra day imong trabaho Kol?
Mais
Mais lang. So gabasok lang gyapon.
gabasok.
So naa kay estudyante Kol wala?
Na
Pila ka buok imong estudyante?
duha.
Duha. So unsa na yung mga grade?
Grade 5 o grade 6.
Grade 6 o grade 5. So kuan gid Kol ba? Taman lang gyud sa estudyante ang imong kwarta.
Garis mga pagkaon.
Galisod gani mo sa inyong pagkaon Kol.
Salamat Ginoo nga sa pagtabang sa sin.
Oo nga kuan. So naa pa kay asawa karon Kol?
naglakaw man siya, nag-approve ng bus, hindi na to siya
Oh, so nakalakaw siya. So ikaw lang karon ang nabilin sa balay.
Oo,
Oo.
siguro.
So nagpasalamat si Uncle sa Ginoo sa nagtabang sa sin nga makaatop na gid siya. Salamat kay Col.
Salamat.